Alright, so this is the shroud that's on my muzzle brake. I'll go ahead and take it apart real quick to show you how it works. Basically, you just hold that indent pin right there in the middle. See that? That's what locks everything in place. And then it comes right off. So there's the Manticore Arms muzzle brake. It's about $57 from the cheapest place that you can get it. There's the little timing notch for the timing pin that just spring loaded. It's captured inside the front sight post. So then what I do is I just take my muzzle shroud and install it together just like that. So I put this on first and I hold it at an angle so it depresses the pin. I always forget this is left hand, so it's lefty tighty, righty loosey. And then I just get that turned on, nice and tight, and then bam, locks in place. Then I'll probably have to, nope, muzzle brakes locked at the same time. So there it is. New shroud for your AK if you want to use it inside, or if you're shooting close to people at the range. So, you know, for the more serious shooters that actually care about the other people at the range and their friends that they're shooting next to, works pretty nice.